Are you ready to experience a kitchen revolution like never before? Say hello to Rio, the latest addition to the Instant Pot family. Rio stands for revolutionary, innovation, one-pot wonder, and it lives up to its name by bringing you all the features, convenience, and delicious results you love from the best-selling duo, now in a stunning upgraded design tailored for today's modern homes. Rio redefines Instant Pot cooking, offering quick and easy meals up to 70% faster, all wrapped in a sleek and contemporary form. Same great features, modern design, revolutionary, innovative, one-pot wonder. Introducing Rio Wide Plus, our newest member of the Instant Pot family, specially crafted to celebrate a decade of innovation in the kitchen. Embracing the legacy of Instant Pot, Rio takes the cooking experience to new heights with a modern and stylish twist. New wider Saute area, cooking for a crowd. Rio's wide inner cooking pot boasts more cooking area than a 12 skillet, making it a true kitchen powerhouse. It can handle large quantities of food, accommodating a 5-pound chicken, a 9 inches cake pan, or even 3 racks of succulent ribs with ease. Quick and easy meals, with 25 smart recipes that auto-adjust cooking based on food and recipe. Rio takes the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're making rice, pasta, soup, sterilizing, chicken, beef, cake, eggs, or venturing into sous vide, Rio's got you covered with preset recipes that guarantee culinary success. Guided assistant for effortless cooking, cooking made simple. Rio's step-by-step display guides you through the cooking process, ensuring foolproof recipes every time you use it. Embrace your inner chef and create masterpieces effortlessly with Rio by your side. Whisperquiet Steam Release. No more noisy steam releases. Rio's Whisperquiet Steam Release delicately diffuses steam and can be controlled safely using a remote button, giving you peace of mind while preparing your meals. Easy-to-use controls for seamless cooking. Navigating Rio's features is a breeze, thanks to its angled control panel with a large clear message display and cooking progress bar. The user-friendly interface ensures a seamless cooking experience. Heavy cooking pot for perfect results. Rio comes with a sturdy stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom, ensuring perfect sauteing and even heat distribution for outstanding cooking results. Effortless Cleanup. Worried about cleaning up after a delicious meal? Fear not. Rio's cooking pot and lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Discover amazing recipes with Instant Brands Connect app. Unleash your culinary creativity with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available on iOS and Android. Explore a world of new recipes, quick favorites, and mouth-watering meals to savor with family and friends.